Alright, let's go.
Hi, so in today's video, I am doing a wig review for you guys. This one is from EBONYLINE. I bet y'all looking like Sade girl. This wig looks a little familiar, you know, it's looks a little familiar, you know, just a little bit. Yeah, so this is the wig Moni or Moni by Sis Sister. It is another Beyond Your Imagination collection wig, and it is the color SOM RT Selfie. Same color as the last Sis Sister Beyond Your Imagination wig I did. They actually sent me the wrong color this time. I asked for the color that was on that's on the model, and I don't know if like they ran out of stock and then they sent me this color, but you know, fine, it's okay. We're just gonna, you know, move past that and just appreciate the hair, because look at it, like, look at this hair. Just, girl, y'all know, I ain't gotta say it every time I got one, but the swoop bang, just look at it, okay? It's beautiful. It just sits there so nicely. I'm still working on how to achieve this myself, because I need it on every wig ever. Like, it just does everything for me, especially when it goes to this side, because this is where my nose ring is. My nose ring is on that side. So it is a lace front wig. It is lace front, tan tied, roomy fiber, high heat, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I do really like the style of it. It's just like a very bomb roller wrap. Like, it's just, I don't know, I feel like that's why I love it so much, just because it looks so natural on me, at least. I just feel like it looks like really good. It complements my face. Let's take off these glasses. Sorry. So let's go ahead and get into some of the technical stuff about this wig. The parting, I wouldn't, okay, so with the parting looking like this, I wouldn't really pluck it at all, because I think that would make it look, you was doing too much to make it blend. I feel like just this way, it kind of looks like you just have naturally puffy. It just makes it look like you have naturally puffy roots, you know how it is out here, you know what I'm saying? You walk outside, especially in the weather that's, you know, going on right now, or even in the heat. My hair don't, girl, it don't. So I feel like it kind of resembles my natural texture whenever I blow dry it or do, you know, any heated styles or anything. It's gonna puff right back up. So I feel like that's just kind of what it resembles to me. If you want to, you could pluck it. This is how the part, looks when you first get it. It's very skinny, very small. You can expand that if you want to. You can put foundation or powder or whatever it is that you would want to put in it if it is bothering you. Personally, I kind of like the way that it looks. Yeah, let's talk about this color. I won't talk about the color too much, just because I have literally had this exact same color before on another wig from this collection. So that video will be down below, and maybe at the end on the end screen. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, it's just I love the color. Like, it just looks really good. It looks like you went to go get it professionally done. I love the highlights. The highlights are done very well. It's not too much pink with the purple. Like, it's like the perfect amount of pink. I do really wish that I would have got this though, because I really am feeling orange hair right now, and I just feel like I really love this. I feel like it looks really good. However, I do understand why they probably sent me this one, because I think it's called Fiesta. It's sold out everywhere. Like, I've looked on so many different websites, and it's like sold out everywhere. At the time that I asked for it, it wasn't, but I'm assuming that it did, because it's just a pop color, okay? And I won't really name the available colors that the wig comes in, just because I've done plenty of reviews on this collection. I think I've said it in most of them. So then, you know, on the back they have the washing and care, of course. I love the Sis Sister Beyond Your Imagination wig. I mean, the Sis Sister Beyond Your Imagination collection. It's like really good wigs. I feel like they really suit my style when it comes to my hair. They're just bomb. And this hair is so freaking soft and fluffy, y'all. Oh my god, it's so like, it's just like really fluffy. It just looks like you just can just like bounce around in it. It reminds me of, like, I can't think of what it reminds me of right now, but you know what, I feel like this is like a really let me see what the name of the wig was. All right, so the last one that I had this same color in, it's called Siri from this collection. I feel like this is literally like a short version of it, with, you know, slightly different layering, but kind of the same. It's just like, it's like literally that. So this would be perfect for like if you get hot easily. Like I get hot easily, especially with, you know, really thick hair. So I feel like this would be perfect for like spring, summer, once it's, you know, that heat is coming down, you know what I'm saying, is on you. So I feel like the Siri one was like a perfect one for like winter, fall, when, you know, some people don't really mind doing long hair, big hair. And this one would be perfect for like the heat, spring, summer. So I'm really excited about this one. It's another one of those wigs where I can just do that. I love that. I love it when wigs just have that like natural swoop bang. I just pull it back, swoop it up, and boom. Just imagine this in like a natural color. This could genuinely trick someone into being like your real hair, especially if you do your edges like I didn't. If you do your edges and slick them, do your baby hairs, if you got them like that, then you know, you set, like you're good, okay? There's not really much else that you need to do with your life at that point, because this wig, you just put it on. Like that's just all you do. You just put it on, run your fingers through it a little bit, and you're good to go. This is very, I feel like it's gonna be a very low maintenance wig, especially with the length that it's at now. You don't have to worry about tangling. Let's get into that. I haven't gotten any tangling. I can run my hands right through the hair. Shedding, I am getting a little bit of shedding, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I like cut some of the hair off of the hairline when I was cutting lace, so I messed up. Yeah, I don't think on the last, any of the wigs really, I got much shedding on any of them, so I wouldn't really expect it to come from this one. This is a really bomb collection though. Like I really do like this collection. Every wig that I've had from it, which I want to say I've had like 3 or 4, maybe 5 wigs from the Beyond Your Imagination sister collection. I love it. But yeah, that's pretty much all for you guys. Actually, I'm not gonna do a versatility showcase, but I will also link the versatility showcase and put an end card at the end screen for that video too, because it's literally the same construction. There's not really much different, and like I said, it's pretty much the same haircut or hairstyle, but with a different, like a shorter haircut. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and link that at the end of the screen if y'all want to check that out, if you want to see some different hairstyles to do with this wig and how you can style it and use the curls and manipulate them to be in like, to have like different textures, curl patterns. And but yeah, all those will be at the end screen, and that's pretty much it. Make sure y'all check out EBONYLINE.com for what's new, what's poppin', and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.